Hey, what a beautiful evening on this golf course here in Pune. And again, a time to reflect. In one of my recent posts about learning new expertise before doing something, somebody commented that we need to unlearn the old. That brought back the memories of unlearning the old before doing something new. So this was long back. We had developed a warranty management system just when the internet was being popularized, and that was running for quite some years, and we had the state-of-the-art new systems from the world leaders, which we had bought but which we were struggling to implement. And isn't this a classic case of the difficulty to unlearn? So you got to understand why unlearning is difficult. It is because what we do sort of becomes our babies, and how can you kill them? And that's what was happening to us. So we said we got to be patient with it. I think that's the first lesson, that we need to be patient. We need to be very methodical about it. So the first thing we did was to do some sessions for our own teams, both IT and business, to learn what kind of best practices were built into the new system. And then we had to really sit together and chart out the new path. I remember one such conversation where I asked a question to my head of warranty, and he shot back saying, Jagdish, this is business requirement. I went and sat by his side and said, hey, am I not part of business? I think that was important because this kind of gestures show that we are on the same side. We are trying to solve the same problem, and it is not that I'm IT and you are business. So we continued in the same spirit. We kind of trusted that we are trying to do the best for the business. Okay. And then we looked through the various issues. Beyond the issues of mindset change and my baby, there were other real issues around migrating the old data, around teaching the new processes to various stakeholders, training issues and all of that. With trust and with patience and being methodical, we managed to unlearn the old and learned to be successful with the new. So it requires trust, it requires collaboration, it requires a belief in best practices, and the most important thing, the yin yang of preserving the ethos while changing the means. Looking forward to your comments.